Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to use voice mode on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So first of all, open your voice mode and then click on settings and click on audio and input device. From here select your input device and you can adjust the input volume level from here. And from here select your output device. Okay, after that open your Windows search box and type here audio and click on audio settings and select your input device. Click here and obviously you have to select this voice mode virtual audio device. So select this option and now open your Discord and click on user settings and click on voice and video and input device. From here you have to select this voice mode virtual audio device and now go to your voice box and from here select the voice and turn on this voice changer. So this is how we can use voice mode on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.